Hey, welcome back, everybody. Travis Preston here, and so this is part 2 of the walking tour. This is actually outside of the La Paz. It's roughly about 25-30 minute drive, depending on how much traffic and the time of the day. So right now, I'm at Valle de Luna, which is Valley of the Moon. All right, and so I don't know too much about it, but I know this is one of the points of interest. And like I said, I'll have some pop-ups throughout this video to kind of show you this interesting stuff that you see behind me. All right, so let's go for a walk. All right, so we kind of been walking for about 5 minutes or so. As you can see, it's absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to read more about it. Don't see a lot of signs that you can kind of read throughout the map, but like I said, it kind of comes up the little cliff. Then it has like a little lookout. You can kind of see some of the city, and obviously, stretched out this way, you see more of the Valley of the Moon. So, and you got some houses in the cliffs. So it's pretty cool, right? All right, let's continue. top of the world. That's it. Another hike. Got to the top, guys. Beautiful views. Yeah. The wife made it. She's over there. She's coming. Y'all give her a special shout out. Thanks to her. Because she halfway was like, I don't want to make it. I told her, keep going, keep pushing. And she'll make it. All right. Now we're going to trek our way back down in that direction. All right, guys, so we just made it. The wife's coming behind me. We got a nice little play in from a local, playing some local Bolivian music. Look at the wife, looking like a champion. All right, guys. Whew, that was a good one. I hope you enjoyed that little walk, that hike, and on to the next. All right, guys, so we just got to the next point. This is gonna be the last point of the walking tour part 2. I'm actually at I guess one of the highest points in the city, and I'm gonna butcher this, but bear with me. Mirador Killi Killi. I think that's similar to what it sound like. Anyway, so pretty much it's just a great 360 view of the whole city. They have a playground and stuff like that for the kids. So just a really nice area where you can just hang out and just enjoy the day, right? I'm gonna show you some views of what you can actually see from on top. It's about a 30-minute walk from our hotel, but it's all uphill. So I wouldn't recommend it unless you're in just some great, fabulous shape. Just take a cab or Uber or whatever you gotta do to get up here so you can actually enjoy the day. All right, so let's go. right, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the 360 views that I just provided to you guys. Like I said, it's absolutely breathtaking. You come to La Paz, you have to make your way up here, okay? So like I said, this is part 2. Make sure you check out my other videos, part 1. I drop a new video every Monday, 2 p.m. Eastern, all right? So make sure you check me out. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, recommend, share it with your friends, whoever you think likes travel content, all right? So I can make sure, hey, this is Travels with Preston and my wife behind the camera, signing out from La Paz, Bolivia. Peace.